Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Maltego latest version on Windows 11 operating system. First go to Maltego official website and download. So Maltego official website is maltego.com. Enter. See here we have the download Maltego, but before downloading create an account. If you don't have account, you have to create account. Click on it. Then you have to provide all the details. Once we provide all the details, we will get the email like this for activation. Okay, so I have already created. Now go to home, then go to maltego.com, then click on resources, then click on download Maltego. See here we have to select the operating system Windows. Then see here we have exe or exe plus Java. Java must be there, that's why. So select already Java installed, then no need, but select it and click on download Maltego Graph. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 194 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this Maltego setup exe file. See the message, the Java runtime environment is the preferred, 17 is the preferred prerequisite for Maltego. Setup will now attempt to install Java 17. Okay, click on OK, click on next, select all and click on next. If you want to change the path, just click on browse, otherwise click on next. Click on install. It is installing Java. Click on finish. Now it is going to install Maltego. Click on next. See here, install just for me or install for anyone using this computer. So select the first one and click on next. See, this will be the installation location. If you want to change, you can click on this browse and provide the path. I'm okay with the default, so click on next. See, this will be the start menu folder name, that is Peterva Maltego. Okay, click on install. See, if you want to create shortcut, you have to select the checkbox. If you want to customize Java settings, you have to click on here. I don't want either of them, so click on finish. Now open Maltego. Go to start. See here we have the recently added application, but go to applications, then go to Peterva. See here we have the Peterva folder. In this, see here we have the Maltego. Click on it. Activation options. License key or Maltego ID. So select Maltego ID because we have registered. So we have to provide that email. Click on next. Online activation and click on next. Select the license agreement. Then click on next. Now login with Maltego ID. So click on browser login. Now provide email. Then provide the password and click on sign into Maltego. See, login is success. See, authentication complete. Okay. Now click, see here, browser login was successful. That screen was gone. Now click on next. Now it is configuring Maltego. Graph desktop activation successful. Okay. So click on next. See, install transforms, select utilities and click on next. See, download data sources completed. See here 15 application servers, 212 entities and different options. So click on next. Select the disclaimer acceptance checkbox, then click on next. Now select the automatic send report error reports. It is up to you. I don't want, so click on next. Select the default browser. It is up to you. We can select later also. Then click on next. Privacy mode. See here we have the normal and stealth. I am going with the normal only. See here the difference. This is the normal privacy mode and this is the stealthy privacy mode information. Click on next. Now ready, set, go. Okay. So we have configured successfully. Now if you want to open blank graph and let me play around, you have to select this one. Open an example, you have to select this one. So select the open an example graph and click on finish. Maximize it. Not now. Close it. Close this one. See, click on example graph. See here we have example. See here entity palette. If you want to create new one, click on new graph. Then you have to add these entities. Okay. So go to example. See here, right click on this. See, you have different options. You can perform different transforms. Okay, so I'm not going to do so. In this video we have successfully installed Maltego Graph Community Edition 4.8.1. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.